We begin tonight with politics, as the Independent National Electoral Commission, Inec, has unveiled a revised timetable following the repeal of the Electoral Act 2022 and the signing of the new Electoral Act 2026, which introduced fresh statutory timelines for pre-election and election activities. Well, under this new schedule, presidential and National Assembly elections will take place on Saturday, January the 16th, 2027, replacing the earlier February 20 date. Governorship and State Houses of Assembly elections have also been moved forward to Saturday, February the 6th, 2027, instead of March the 6th. The Commission says the adjustment ensures full compliance with the new legal framework and the 1999 Constitution as amended. The road to the 2027 polls begin with the party primaries scheduled from April the 23rd to May the 30th, 2026, including the resolution of disputes arising from those experiences and exercises. Campaigns for presidential and National Assembly candidates will officially commence on August the 19th, 2026, while governorship and state assembly campaigns will begin on September the 9th, 2026. In line with the new law, the political campaigns must end 24 hours before Election Day. Inec has cautioned political parties to strictly adhere to the approved timelines, warning that compliance will be enforced. Meanwhile, the Osun State governorship election has been shifted from August the 8th to August the 15th, 2026. Inec notes that although some processes have already been completed for the Ekiti and Osun governorship elections, all outstanding activities will proceed in strict accordance with the Electoral Act 2026. The Commission is now urging political parties, candidates, and other stakeholders to work collectively towards a peaceful, credible, and inclusive election that reflect the will of the Nigerian people.
Breaking news. Breaking news. Court judgment on Inec and an implication for Nigerian democracy. From the video you just listened to, around 2 months or 3 months ago, Inec adjusted their timetable, and some people took Inec to court. Nigeria judiciary continues to play a vital role in safeguarding democracy and ensuring that institutions operate within the law. A recent today's court judgment involving the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), as reported by Vanguard and other papers, that has once again drawn public attention to the relationship between the courts, political parties, and the electoral body. See, the court faulted INEC over issues relating to political party activities and electoral procedures ahead of the 2027 elections. Reports indicate that the judgment addressed concerns about party primaries, leadership disputes, and INEC recognition of certain political processes. One of the major lessons from the judgment is that INEC, although an independent institution, must always act according to the Constitution and the Electoral Act. The court emphasized that electoral guidelines and administrative actions do not deny political parties their lawful rights. In a democracy, fairness and equal treatment of political parties are essential for free and credible elections. The judgment also highlights the growing importance of the judiciary in resolving political disputes in Nigeria. Courts are expected to protect democratic principles, prevent abuse of power, and ensure that due process is followed. By questioning some of INEC's decisions, the court reaffirmed that no institution is above the law. Furthermore, the case reviewed the challenges facing Nigeria's electoral system. Frequent legal battles between political parties and INEC may create uncertainty and affect public confidence in the electoral process. Therefore, INEC must improve transparency, maintain neutrality, and strictly obey court orders to strengthen democracy and avoid unnecessary controversies. Another important implication of the judgment is its effect on the 2027 elections. Political parties are becoming more active, and disagreement over leadership and party congresses may influence electoral preparations. The court intervention may compel INEC to review some of its policies and ensure better compliance with legal procedures. In conclusion, the, the judgment on INEC serves as a reminder that democracy thrives when institutions respect the rule of law. Judiciary, the judiciary, INEC, and political parties must work responsibly to ensure credible elections in Nigeria. Nigerians also expect transparency, fairness, and justice from all democratic institutions as the nation prepares for the future elections. I guess this is another lifeline for Governor Fubara, whether he can still move to another party. And you know that this will open doors for more defections as aggrieved party members who have lost primaries can now move to the party of their choice and still have opportunity to to I still have opportunity to contest for that same position. What do you think about this law? The law that INEC just that Federal High Court Abuja just came up with. Is it a good? Is it a good thing, or it will distort the timetable again? Will it cause more problems to the society, cause confusion to the public, or it's a good thing for our politicians to come by? Let's share our perspectives and let's come up with our own ideas. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.